Hello, everyone. Very good morning. We're supposed to start in 1 or 2 minutes. Hello, everyone. We are welcoming you in our second seminar, which is how to bring more traffic on Amazon. So I'm Mr. Sagar from PCFitment, and I have been in this industry more than 12 years, and PCFitment is serving 1,000+ customers throughout the world. Majority customers are from North America, Canada, and Mexico. So we again welcomes you, and we hope with this seminar you guys will get good knowledge, and you guys can implement that knowledge on your listing, and you will get a good benefits. So this is the motto of this particular seminar. We have divided this whole seminar in two different part. In the first part, I'll explain everything to you guys about how to bring more traffics, and then the subtopics and all those. In the last minute, we'll discuss about your questions, and I try my best to give you answer all about your questions. So again, we are welcoming you in this webinar, and we hope this webinar will give you some good good result and good understanding about how we can bring more traffic with the Amazon. So let's begin. So here is the today's agenda of the meeting. The first we'll understand what is ACS and what is fitment, and why the fitment is related with Amazon traffic, like how we can correlate Amazon traffic with the ACS, which is means the vehicle fitment. Then, as you know, if you add more keywords, you have more business. With ACS, how you can add more keywords, because when you want to add more keywords on your listing, you have certain limits, because you have certain limits in title, you have certain limits in description. But if you want to work outside of this boundary, how you can do this with ACS and vehicle fitment. Then in the third step, we'll understand why your sales will increase. I'll show you the practical scenario, like how the user will search on Amazon, how the Amazon will give you result, and based on that result, how you can increase your sales and decrease your returns. In the last stage of this seminar, we'll discuss how you can submit your fitment data, how you can create your fitment data, and all those. And then at the last, I'll try to answer all your questions, whatever you have. So without spending time, let's start with the first topic, which is let's understand the ACES and how the your make model looks like into ACES. Also, what is important information for Walmart and Amazon? Like I'll try to cover eBay as well, but it's a little bit. Now, when we decrypt, when I say the decrypt means when we convert the ACS standard XML data into flat file, this is the data how it looks like. Like inside the ACS, see, as per the AIA and as per the VCDB, we have around 50 parameters which you can add into the ACS. But again, it depends on your part types. It depends on your part nature. Based on that, you can select those parameters which really required or which really satisfied to search your parts by your customer. So inside the ACS, there is information about the year, make, and model. Then the vehicle type, obviously your part number. Then your part type, that can be like the brake pad or the side marker light, heater control, engine crankshaft, whatever else. Then the quantity, then the region. Region can be Canada, USA, or Mexico, because the ACS standard is just for these three regions. But if you want to work outside of this region, you can contact us. We'll help you on that. Then the liter, then CC, then CID, cylinder, block types, all those parameters we have. Now let's understand the ACS. So ACS has three different parts. The data is in three different parts. ACS divided into three different parts. The first part is the header part. Then the second part is the application detail part. And the last part is the footer part. So I just gave you one example about the one sample application, which is the year is the 1998. The make is the Toyota, model is the Corolla, then the part type is the wheel speed sensor, and the position is the rear right, part number, brand, and the quantity. So if we'll convert this particular data into ACS, then it will looks like the below format, where the first portion is about your header, where you'll upload, where you will add all those information about your company or the mapper company and all those. Second part has the application details, where I'll add the base vehicle ID. This base vehicle ID is again the base vehicle ID as per the AIA databases, which is VCDB and the PCDB, then PADB, all those. And the last portion of the ACS is the footer. So now let's move, like when I said more keywords, more business. I know might be you guys have questions like why I gave you understanding for the ACS and the fitment. The reason is, when you say the more keywords related to ACS, you should have some knowledge about the ACS. So in this particular topic, I'll try to cover Amazon search and their vehicles, how Amazon push their customers, like their buyers, to select vehicle before they purchase the part. So let's see. For example, I am a normal user. I'm going on web like Amazon.com, and I want to purchase brake pad. So I just write the brake pad front. Once I write the brake pad front, I have a lots of suggestion as per the Amazon. All those suggestions is based on the latest queries which users searched on the Amazon. So you can easily identify, like see the last 4 results, where the Amazon said brake pad front CLA 250 Mercedes-Benz 2015. Then brake pad front and rear 2008 Audi A4 Quattro. Then brake pad front and rear for Toyota Sienna 2006. Then brake pad front and rear for Toyota Camry SE 2013. Ultimately, what I try to say, whenever users search something, most of the time, users search which their vehicle, where they have to fit this particular part. Now let's assume I am the new person and I didn't select any vehicle. I just select the keyword which is based on my part. Like say I search the brake pad and I said brake pad front. When I say the brake pad front and you have a result which is for the brake pad front, but immediately Amazon asking you select your vehicle, enter a new vehicle, which means Amazon is pushing you to add vehicle before you go ahead, because Amazon wants to sell those parts which fit into your vehicle. And if your customer purchase wrong part, it means they will return. and it will increase your return ratio. It will decrease your popularity, or the you have problem with your brand, whatever else. So Amazon wants to make sure user purchase those parts which fit into the vehicle. Now, when you click on enter a new vehicle button, this particular pop-up will come where user need to select the vehicle type, then user need to select the year, then make, and then model. Once you select the year, make, and model, Amazon will show you only those parts which is fit into your vehicle. Now, the thing is how you can increase your sales. How will it increase your sales based on the ACS standard? So let me show you something interesting. So here I list out some of the keywords which normally executing or normally searching on the Amazon. So mostly, as I said, auto parts purchaser execute query with vehicle when they purchase the auto parts. For example, brake pad for 1999 Honda Accord, ignition coil for BMW X5, or ignition coil for X5 only. See, I have listed out major keywords which is searched on Amazon in last 2022, and the keywords was based on the auto parts category only. So the Bosch windscreen wipers, Mercedes key cover, then Jeep Wrangler spare tire cover, Mini Cooper seat cover, wiper blade finder, Tesla seat cover, Ford Focus car mats. Ultimately, 80-90% of the keywords has the vehicle added. So when users search such queries, Amazon automatically shows those parts which fit into that vehicle. So if you added the fitment with your listing, that will increase your selling. For example, you have a part for the brake page and you have 1,000 vehicles. When you added those 1,000 vehicles, if users search brake pad for 1999 Honda Accord, and if your listing has a 1999 Honda Accord, your brake pad has a higher possibility to display on the search result. Even though you didn't add your Honda Accord 1999 Honda Accord anywhere in your title and descriptions anywhere, but if you added 1999 Honda Accord vehicle as a part of your fitment, Amazon will display your brake pad on that search result page. So ultimately, when I said more queries, more result, more selling, it means if you added fitment data with your listing, your chances to come on Amazon search result pages become very high. When your chances become very high, your product will display more number of customers. When your product will display to more number of customers, the purchase of your product, means selling of your product, is become very high. When it's become very high, your profit will be high. Again, when you added your fitment with your part numbers, the return ratio will increase dramatically. As per our experience, around, if I can say, minimum 15 to 18% return ratio is become low. So once you add your fitment, 15 to 20% return ratio become less, which will give the more profit, because we know, like in e-commerce business, if you have a more return, if you have high return, like more than 2 or 3%, it kills your profit. So I'm giving you one example, like for example, users search X5 brake pads. So Amazon will display those brake pads which has BMW X5 vehicle added. And once user click over there, Amazon will display, see, in the detail page, on the detail page, Amazon confirm fit with the green sign, and they say this fits to the 2007 BMW X5. Now, if your buyer is searching a brake pad for 2007 BMW X5, they purchase this part from you, and the chances of like the part is not fit into the vehicle is very, very less because they already selected vehicle. And so your, even though your sales is become high, your return is become very less. Now, how you can submit fitment data to all marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, WHI, Epicor. So here the first question should be like, if you guys do not have a fitment data, what should you can do? You can contact PCFitment. No worries. Even though if you are a member of the PCFitment or if you are not member of the PCFitment, no worry. We are ready to help you. So we will ask required informations to you, and then based on that, we'll create all fitment data based on your requirement. If you don't know how to submit the Amazon, eBay, Walmart, see, each and every marketplace has their own standard. Amazon has their own standard, eBay has their own standard, and also Walmart has their own standard. So if you want to submit fitment data on different marketplaces, either you should have a knowledge of all the standard, or you can just communicate with the PCFitment, and then with one click, you can distribute all your fitment data to different marketplaces. As per the Amazon, they recently changed with the security settings and all those. But as PCFitment is an authorized data distributor to Amazon, we knew what changes they made, and based on those changes, what we need to change into our system, into our PCFitment, we made it, and now nowadays, our none of the customer has any problem to submit fitment data on Amazon or any other marketplaces. Once you upload your fitment data on Amazon, eBay, or Walmart, see how it looks like. On Amazon, Amazon confirm fit with the green sign, green tick mark is displayed. Then on eBay, it will display in this way, and on Walmart, it display find the right parts, and the user can search the vehicle over there. So this is what I want to give you the knowledge about the ACS fitment data. How, if you upload your ACS fitment data on Amazon, your search queries becomes very large. So you have a lots of, you are going to open lots of the doors where the buyers can come inside. Because if you have a, let's example, if you have, we have a customers who have more than 10,000 vehicles in one listing. So if you have a 10,000 listing, for example, in one listing, one SKU, you have a 10,000 number of the queries where user can come on your listing, on your detail page, and then you will have a more selling. So ultimately, if you have a fitment, you can sell more. Now, if you have any question regarding what we discussed today, or other than these, you can ask me here in chat window. I'll happy to answer. So now, please ask me any questions regarding fitment or anything, Amazon listing or the whatever. I'm ready to help you on that. Please type your question over here, and I'll try to best my answer. I think no one has any question, and let me wait for next 2 minutes more. And if you have any questions, then please type here. I'll happy to answer. Okay, I think that's it. And I don't know if you guys have any question about today's webinar. So thank you very much joining this webinar. I hope you enjoyed the webinar, and I hope my webinar will help you to understand how the search query will work, search query is working with Amazon, how's the ACS fitment data will help you to increase your search queries. So thank you very much, and we will meet you soon again with a new topic which will give you the more understanding and more knowledge about the Amazon traffic. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.